Have you ever looked at a piece of clothing and thought, there's no way that could ever become something beautiful, only to be completely surprised by what someone created from it? That's one of my favorite things about upcycling. It has a way of making you question what's possible, and sometimes the most ordinary, outdated, or overlooked pieces end up becoming the ones you can't stop thinking about. In today's video, we're going to look at more than 50 inspiring upcycling ideas for clothing that were found on Pinterest. Each one is completely different, with its own style, personality, and creative details that just might spark an idea for something you've been wanting to make yourself. If you'd like to save any of these ideas for later, you'll find a link to my Pinterest board in the description below, so you can easily come back to your favorites whenever inspiration strikes. As you're watching, I'd love for you to vote for your favorite design by leaving its number in the comments. Once one of the ideas reaches around 100 votes, I may recreate the winning design with my own creative twist in a future video here on the channel. But before we start looking through today's ideas, I want to tell you about a project that reminded me why giving up too soon can sometimes mean missing out on the best part. It started with a piece of clothing that didn't look like much at first, and before it was over, it completely changed the direction of the project in a way I never expected. I'll share that story as we go, but first, let's start exploring today's collection of creative upcycling ideas and see which one ends up becoming your favorite. One thing I've learned about upcycling is that sometimes the smallest details create the biggest challenges, and this project proved that in a way I wasn't expecting. I had found a jacket that I thought would be perfect for a makeover. I already had the fabrics picked out in my mind, and I could picture exactly where every new detail was going to go. Everything was coming together just the way I had imagined until I reached one spot that completely stopped me. Right in the center of the design was a pocket that I hadn't really paid much attention to when I first planned the project. It wasn't just stitched on the outside either. It was built into the jacket in a way that meant removing it would leave behind tiny stitch holes and marks that would be impossible to ignore. The more I looked at it, the more frustrated I became. Every idea I came up with either covered too much of the design or made the jacket look bulky instead of balanced. I kept laying the fabrics over it, stepping back, taking them off, trying again, and every attempt seemed worse than the one before. For a while, I honestly wondered if I'd picked the wrong jacket altogether. It's funny how one little detail can suddenly make you question an entire project. I could feel that panic creeping in because I had already invested so much time planning everything, and now this one pocket seemed to be standing in the way of the vision I had in my head. Have you ever had one tiny thing turn into a much bigger problem than you expected? If you enjoy hearing stories like this, while we look through these amazing ideas, I'd really appreciate it if you'd subscribe so you don't miss future videos. Instead of forcing another rush decision, I stepped away for a few minutes and looked at the jacket with fresh eyes. Sometimes that's exactly when the best ideas begin to show up. That little pocket ended up changing the entire project in a way I never could have planned. After giving myself a little time away from the project, I came back with a completely different mindset. Instead of figuring out how to remove the pocket, I started asking myself how I could make it work with the design instead of against it. That's when the solution finally clicked. Rather than hiding the pocket, I redesigned the layout around it so it looked like it had always belonged there. The decorative fabrics framed it instead of covering it, and suddenly the pocket didn't feel like a mistake anymore. It became one of the details that gave the jacket personality. Looking back, I realized I had spent far more time fighting the project than listening to what it needed. That experience reminded me that creativity isn't always about making everything go exactly as planned. Sometimes it's about being willing to change the plan when something unexpected gets in the way. I still think about that project whenever I run into a problem during an upcycle because it reminds me that what feels like the biggest obstacle can sometimes become the most interesting part of the finished piece. If you're looking for fabric or clothing to use in your own upcycling projects, you'll find a link to my vintage shop in the description. I have lots of fabric available, along with clothing that's perfect for creative makeovers. You'll also find links to my upcycling tutorials and playlists if you're ready to start creating something of your own. Thank you so much for spending part of your day with me. Before you go, don't forget to vote for your favorite idea by leaving its number in the comments. I'm always excited to see which design everyone chooses. There's another video on your screen waiting for you now, and I hope it gives you even more creative inspiration. I'll see you there.